This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Sleek renovation and available off-season for rent until end of January 2022. Washer/dryer in unit. Northwest corner unit with unobstructed views of ocean and river from the 12th floor. Floor-to-ceiling impact sliders maximize every view. Private beach access and heated pool. Walk to Vero's finest beachside shops and restaurants. Next door to VP Hotel and AMP, spa for overflow guests. Available now. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-774-4405.